Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down1914 back with another sneaker review. So today it's kind of a limited review. You know, if you've seen the title of the video, you've seen the thumbnail, you know we're reviewing the Air Max 90 University of Oregon Ducks and Grateful Dead collaboration. I hit on a shock drop for this pair when they released. I believe shock drop was like last week, and you know, I've been sitting on this pair. You know, I haven't seen them in hand yet, so I'm kind of eager to unbox the shoe so we can take a look at the shoe, because I'm not quite sure if I'm liking the shoe or not. It might be a bit much for me, but you know, let's see it in hand before I make my final judgment, and let's, you know, hop right into the review. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. OGs, welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and if you into fits and kicks, you're in the right place. So let's go ahead and unbox the shoe. Again, another box without the tape. Just rip it open. Got it here. Okay, cool. So it's like a quick strike box. Now it is a special type of box they use for quick strike, but you know, all blacked out box. You know, Nike branding on this side. You got the Nike branding on the back. Of course, and Nike right here. So this is how this box should come, and here is the sizing label right here. The sizing label reads Air Max 90 UO times GD. So that's University of Oregon times Grateful Dead. Sail, green shock, yellow stripe. That's the colors, and I got a size 10. So if you've been following me for a while on here and on Instagram, you know Air Max 90s is my favorite Air Max silhouette. So you do get a slide out box. One sheet of tissue paper right here. And inside the box, I guess you should get, like, if you can see here, should get like a red, you know, stamp inside the box. If you can see it, I don't know if that came up, but you know, here are the kicks. Okay, yeah, definitely a colorful pair of kicks, man. There's definitely a lot going on. Definitely a lot going on. A lot to break down. All right, does come with extra laces, and let's see here. Let me go ahead and put the laces to the side. And this paper here, if you can look, it has Nike all over the paper. And then inside the box, you do get a green stamp as well inside the box. So if you're getting off the secondary market, because this shoe is very limited and pretty much sold out or hadn't released yet in certain areas, make sure you're getting those things inside your box, so you're not getting, you know, ripped off with a foo-foo or anything like that. So that's the box. So enough of the box. Let's go ahead and get into the kicks. So we'll start with this one, the left, because it has looks like the Grateful Dead. Okay, so it's kind of like a play off the Grateful Dead and the Oregon Ducks duck. That's kind of fire though. I do like that. So, man, let me give you a little bit of history. So I had to do some research because I knew who the Grateful Dead was, but you know, not fully. But you know, they're definitely a rock band that was formed in California, like back in like 1965. So they had like an electric style, man, which explains why this shoe is so colorful and it pops. And they kind of mixed together like rock, you know, country, other different you know, music genres into one. They pretty much did everything. So they basically unified both Oregon Ducks and the Grateful Dead into one shoe. So that's kind of fire. And we're gonna get right into it. I mean, looking at them in hand, they're not bad, but I don't know. I don't know if they're for me, man. I might just try them on, do it on feet. I might do it on feet for you, man, just so we can just see what they look like on feet. But you know, I'm not sure. So without further ado, let's get into the review of the Nike Air Max 90 Oregon Ducks Grateful Dead.
Rob Rachmaninoff.
how it's made. So let's go ahead and get into the review. So let's start with the outsole. You can see the outsole, it may look like it's, you know, been worn, kind of scraped up, but that's just how it looks. The outsole is supposed to look like that on the black parts. And you got that yellow right here in the middle of the shoe, and then a touch of that green right here on the forefoot. So again, the colors are the green shock and yellow stripe. So as we move to the upper of the shoe, you can see you got, this looks sail to me. It doesn't look like pure white. It looks sail. So you got sail right here. And then you have that yellow stripe. Now in the air bubble and the air unit, you can't see the air unit. The air bubble is like, you know, it's like matted out, so you can't see inside. Moving up to the upper, you got all these different colors. That's all the colors that's on the upper. You got, it looks like purple. You got that green. You got that yellow. Got a little bit of pink in here, so it's all type of mixtures in there. And then you got the Air Max right here, and that green, and then that yellow Air Max. It's kind of fire. So then the swooshes, right? So the swooshes are a little different. So the swoosh on the lateral side, you can see it has like, it's like a fuzzy carpet type of swoosh. And then on the outside, the yellow that's outlining it is fuzzy like carpet material, but then it has like, you know, those sharp edges right there going around it, kind of like almost like a lightning strike. And then when you move to the medial side of the shoe, the swoosh on the medial side is just a regular, you know, plastic type feel swoosh outlining that yellow on the medial side. And of course, both sides have the Air Max on both sides. I don't think normal Air Max 90s have the Air Max on both sides. Normally it's just one side, but this one has it on both sides. I could be wrong, but for me, remembering my Air Max 90s, I don't remember being on both lateral and medial side. But as we move to the upper of the shoe, further upper, we have the yellow hit right here, and we have the green hit right here near the eyelets and the laces. And then if you can see in between all of that, like where the leather part is around here, you can see the like rainbow stitching going all the way around the shoe. If you can see that there, going all the way around. You got mesh on the toe box. You got a mesh toe box right here, which should help with creasing. If that, you know, if you're a crease freak and you don't like your shoes creasing, that'll help with that. White laces, it does come with extra laces, which we'll get into. You got Nike Air right here on the tongue in yellow, and then Air Max underneath in black. And then on this side of the shoe, you do have, oh sorry, this side of the tongue, you do have the branding that says it never rains. And I don't know what this means. If you're a Grateful Dead fan, if this has something to do with the Grateful Dead, comment in the comment section down below. Let us know what that means on the back. It does come with shoe paper. And then the inside, there's no sizing tag, there's no sizing sticker. There is a sizing tag, no sizing sticker. And you do have all the Oregon ducks, that the same ducks that are on the hang tag right here are the same ducks that is on the insole, white insole with the ducks. That's kind of fire. And then the sizing tag, it'll be right there inside of the shoe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's turn to the back. You got Grateful Dead on the back. Again, I think that's that logo that's on the back of the tongue. I believe that's the Grateful Dead logo, because it says Grateful Dead 1990 on the back where it normally says Nike Air. You got that on the back. So that's probably what that is. But still comment in the comment section down below if we're correct on that. So that's the left shoe. The right shoe, I don't see anything else that's different in the right shoe. Yeah, still the same lateral swoosh, still fuzzy with the outline. There are a couple more extra spare laces, so they do give you a ton of laces with the shoe. So you got this like kind of pinkish type of lace coming with that yellow. Got blue. Blue probably might look fire in here, but I don't really see blue inside here. But the blue does come with that. And then you got the green, and then you got this like infrared type of pinkish type of red lace. So I think the best thing to go with probably would either be the white lace or probably the green lace, because you got the green, or the yellow, because you have the green hits that are in the shoe, all over the shoe. So that would probably be your best bet to go with, and it'll probably look good with that. Yeah, that's the review. Oh, you know what? Sorry. let me go ahead and pull this out real quick, because this insole is different. And then you got the Air Max on this tongue. You got the University of Oregon in yellow with the Nike Air. On the back, you still have that same Grateful Dead branding, but then in the inside, you got Nike in that infrared. You got University of Oregon, and then you have the Grateful Dead sign as well in the insole. And that's pretty much it, but that's the difference between the two shoes. So that's the review. I will say that the effort and the actual, what's the word I'm looking for? The effort they put into the shoe, the collaboration is dope, and the details that they put into the shoe are phenomenal. I will say that. The colorway, I get why they chose this colorway, because of University of Oregon and the Grateful Dead was always like, you know, again, electric type of band. They were out there, you know what I mean? They, you know, things had to pop, colors, things of that nature. But I do understand that, but as far as me wearing this shoe, I think it's a bit much for me. You know what I mean? You know, if you like it, I love it, but just for me personally, I think it's a bit much, man. I don't know if I can pull this off. There's a lot going on, but it is a dope shoe. However, I do like the shoe. So comment down in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this shoe? Do you like it? You know, or would you pay resale for it? Again, the shoe retail for $145. I seen this pair, size 10, was going for like maybe $200, between $200 and $215 right now. So you're a fan of the Oregon Ducks or Grateful Dead, I can see you copping this shoe. Other than that, you know, I'm not sure, man, but I can appreciate the art in this shoe. This shoe is like pure art to me. So with that being said, I don't know if I want to put these on foot, man, and show you on foot. I don't know, man. For now, I don't, you know, because I don't know if I'm gonna keep them, man. I don't know if this is for me. So for now, we're gonna just say, you know, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. You know, stay tuned for my next video. We still got shoes to review. Hey, I appreciate all the support. Thank you if you stayed to the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. And until the next video, I'm out.